Well, good morning, YouTube. I guess y'all can tell I didn't have my camera turned on when I was working on this, but I've got just about everything off of this engine, to make it easy to get it out of here. Took the turbo off, got the ground wire disconnected there. It's easy to forget. Fuel lines disconnected. The one fought me, and so what I did is I went ahead. I just took the oil cooler loose. That way I could get the lines out from behind there. That one right there is a booger bear. I had a hard time last time I swapped this engine out. I had a hard time with that one. All I got left is the get the transmission unhooked and the exhaust. Just makes it easier just to get that downpipe completely off of there, and then this thing will come out of there. So, but what I really want to talk about was what I got here in my driveway. I got my CoPart wreck, and so this is a 99 F250, the 8-foot bed. I actually found a business card inside, and I talked to the previous owner of this truck. I talked to him for about a half an hour, so I'm feeling really good about the status of this truck. You see they had the airbag go, but some of the things I found on here was, one, they have this Amsoil filter system on here. That tells you right there this is owned by somebody that really took care of their vehicle. So they bought this truck at 36,000 miles when it was about a year old. So a lot of damage right here. The frame is bent. Of course, don't need it anyway, but you can see it's bent over here. You can see where it's kinked. The fan is all smashed up. Batteries loose, but the batteries are new. They're a year old by those stickers. This thing it'll fire right up. It's kind of on the noisy side because of that fan. That's what I did with that key. And this is why I bought it. I need the motor, but it's a stick shift. It's a 6-speed. So, and you can see right here, 219,000 miles. I should have waited for a second. That's the fan making all that racket. So that's I think I'm good to go to put this motor in my Hotshot truck and get back to work. Like I said, I've talked to the guy for a good half hour, and made me feel really good about it. So give me a lot of work. Everything on the front here is going to come off and get it ready to get that motor out of there. I've got to get the motor out of this truck, get it out of the garage, and then get this motor out and swapped in. It keep me busy for a while, that's for sure.